What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is Po Boy's Garage.
Stop at the gas station.
Alright.
We'll go over there and do that right now.
Alright, I'm gonna record you backing out.
Backing up?
What's up, guys? Tying up to the garage right now. Here's my 1985 Toyota Cressida. Not too bad. Got it less than $2,000. So that's good. It's nice. Over here in the garage, got Shipwreck getting some music together. 240 motor. So I need to do stuff on this guy. There's a 240. We put some lighting on in the car right now because there's really nothing in there. Let's see. See?
What is this?
Up here.
Butt plug?
Put this. Where? We got butt plugs?
Thermal.
Is Mike gonna?
Fusion.
Is Mike coming by?
Compound kit. No.
So what'd you find?
The 1985 Toyota Cressida comes fully equipped with a modern fidget spinner. Okay, I want auto AC off. Darling, how about low? No, man, we need high.
Change the
AC.
song.
No AC. This song is boring. Seek.
That's crazy. Old school. How do you scrape that off? I think it's just muck on top of it. Like
You can touch that.
I did. Oh, look at. What? Oh, KFC, baby!
Damn.
Yeah! Woo!
This car is gonna finger looking
Got some replacement carpet right here from Rock Auto. Nice little replacement steering wheel. Gold quick release. Of course, you need that Broadway mirror. Some more parts, some rack and pinion pieces. And it's gonna come together, baby! Oh man. Here's my carpet. Dang. Ooh. Nice.
Remove product from box. Did it. Lay flat and pop contours back into place. Allow a few hours for product to relax back into proper shape.
So
It needs to relax.
needs to relax, chill out. Gotta push everything back down. A little rigged up light system. That carpet's nasty, man. Oh, it's gonna look so much better once I replace the carpet. Look at that Jimmy Up shirt with a RX-7 in the background. Stand right there, let's see. Dang, look at that.
Double.
First thing I'm gonna do is take off the old steering wheel. Let's see. That guy. I'll figure it out. It should just be a screwdriver. All right. One little issue is the bolt underneath here is all stripped. So I'm just tearing it apart, trying to get to that bolt right back there. What I had to do is just rip it apart. That's all I gotta do. Rip it apart, get it to that bolt right there, that nut, whatever you want to say. And it should come right off. No, it should come off easily. It's probably gonna be tough to come off. Got it.
Nice.
Woo. That big old junker, man.
Gross. So 1985.
I know.
Is that right?
That's right.
All right.
Dude, we got it. Straight on, brother.
We know what we're doing.
You know what's going on. There we go. Looks nice and good. Looking good. Wasn't too bad of a job. Easy. Easy little upgrade. Pretty affordable. Not too bad either in here. Hey everybody, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed what you saw and you want to see more stuff on the Cressida, the 240, or even the RX-7 back there, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you later. Woohoo!